As documents are ingested into GeoClerk via the ASX and TSX direct feeds, we now have pipelines that add metadata to those documents. Now, this can be the company name, the project names, but also the spatial metadata for the areas that report covers. And that means that the reports that are now within the ASX and TSX libraries in GeoClerk are spatially searchable. Now we can actually see that straight away here. I've just opened up GeoClerk, and the most recent documents are shown, and usually they are from the ASX and TSX feeds. And you can see that these images now, in the top right-hand corner of each of the images, there's a little spatial button, which indicates that there is spatial information associated with that document. Now, that didn't used to be the case, but it is now. And if we click on that, we can see where that document is located, or where the projects that are mentioned in that document are located. So I'll just do that for this middle one. Likely there are lots of projects around in different parts, because this is a quarterly activities report rather than a document pertaining to a single project. So it mentions lots of different projects. So there's something up here in Western Australia. There's lots of other ones around. There's obviously something down here in South Australia as well. And so the document metadata for that one, it has several projects attached to it. But what this means is we can now do a spatial search and pull out ASX and TSX documents. So I'll just quickly show you how to do that. We go into My Shapes from your initials. I'm just going to choose this project, Bresnahan in the Gascoyne area of Western Australia. I'm going to do a search across that area. Lots of WAMEX documents, but I'm just going to go down and just switch on just the ASX metals and mining database. So if I switch that on only and turn all the other databases off, I can now see the documents that have been pulled back from that area from the ASX. And if I click on any of the spatial information, I'm going to do this one because it's more relevant to a specific project than an annual report or something like that. But click on that spatial information, and there's the area that it's from. And again, we're showing the area that we're searching, the area that the projects that particular document is from, and also in the other colors you can see areas which other documents that have been returned from that search are from. So if I click on those, I can see some of the other spatial metadata that's been added to those documents. So this particular one it's come from, it's relevant to Northern Star Resources, De Grey Mining, Platina Resources. It mentions a number of different projects. Click on one of the other ones. This one just mentions the Stadler's project and is C29 metals, but you can see how we've added the metadata to that area. So very easy to search spatially, to pull back ASX information, or to find out where projects are from if they've come up from a different search using keywords or that sort of thing.